So checking water quality on the hot tub is quite important. So quite often, well, up till now, I've been using these test strips. The problem with these test strips is the colours fade. I'm also colourblind, but it's really hard to tell. So you get your strip out. You know, if your finger's wet, it ruins the whole batch, but you know, it's just not really fit for purpose. So you get your strip out and then you put it in the water to check, and then you try to sort of match the colours. Now, as you can see, you know, if you leave these things out in the sun, they fade. Also trying to match the colours whilst colourblind, or well, even if you're not colourblind, it's pretty impossible. Like, you know, where on the gauge is that? Are we 7.4? Are we 8? Are we 7.6? Are we 7.2? You know, on the pH, it's really difficult to check. Free chlorine as well, and then also the alkalinity, because if you've got a low alkalinity or a high alkalinity, you can have a really cloudy hot tub. So what I've done is I've got one of these. So I got it on Amazon, and it's a water quality tester for hot tubs and pools, spas or whatever. Anyway, so this is it. Has a probe, a stretchy wire, and then a gauge which gives you a proper indication about where you are. So the pH, whether it's high pH or low pH, and then how much chlorine, whether you want to add or let it evaporate. And that's it. So it takes a AA battery, which I'll install. There we go, pretty straightforward. So the instructions state to keep it out of direct sunlight and only use the probe in pool or spa water. And it comes with a 600 grit sandpaper just for cleaning the probes. Also to keep it in the off position, which is as far as it'll turn towards pH. And then to do the chlorine, you turn it the other way. So we can turn it back off, and there we go. Let's go test it. Right, to test the chlorine level, we're looking at parts per million between 1.2 and 1.7. So to do that, what we need to do is just put that in, and then see what happens. The gauge is moving, and it's exactly in the ideal area. As you can see, it's pointing there. That's about 1.6, 1.7. It's changing. Maybe a bit lower than ideal. So we'd have to check to see how many slow dissolved chlorine tablets I've got in there. So to check the chlorine level, you need to ascertain your adjustment point A to E first. Once you know this, you then adjust scroll to the left till it goes to your adjustment point. So for example, if your adjustment point is D, you move the needle to the D and then put it in the water, and then that says add chlorine. But in this case, our adjustment point is at A, or is it B? C. Try C. And then we have the ideal amount of chlorine in the water. To check the pH, you scroll the dial all the way around to pH till it clicks, and then put it in, and there we go. The pH is 7, right in the middle, 7.7, 7.8. So that's great. Makes it so much easier. And as you can see, the water is nice and clear and it's not cloudy. Have a look for the description and I'll put a link in it to it. I got it on Amazon for about £18. So I'll drop the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.